Hello everyone, we're going to write the equation for one more piecewise function here. So we've got three pieces, 1, 2, 3. That's looking at them left to right, and we'll go top to bottom with our equation over here. Call this one f of x. Three pieces, so I'll either write the word if or for, I really don't care which one you use, 3 times. Okay, let's get the equation of each piece first this time. All right, looking over at the first piece here, sorry about that. Looking over the first piece, we see that it is going up 1 over 1, up 1 over 1, up 1 over 1, up 1 over 1, up 1 over 1. Oh my gosh, I cannot be stopped. Up 1 over 1, up 1 over 1, up 1 over 1. Okay, so if it were allowed to keep going, we see that it would hit the y-axis right here at positive 1. So, when I write its equation, I'm going to write x, which is really the same as 1x, everyone, but that 1 is because the slope is 1, and then I'm going to write plus 1 because the y-intercept is 1. And that will take care of the equation for the first piece. Okay, let's look at the second piece. Let's look at the second piece. What do we got here? Down 2 over 1, down 2 over 1, down 2 over 1, down 2 over 1. Bingo. Okay, so it's going down 2 over 1, so let's go ahead with a slope of negative 2. Drop that in front of the x because it's the slope. And we can see it right on the graph that it actually hits the y-axis right at the origin, which is a y-intercept of 0. Now it's up to you if you want to write plus 0 here. There's absolutely nothing wrong with that, but most people would just leave that off because the plus 0 is implied if we don't put anything there. All right, third piece. What do we got here? Aha, down 1 over 1, down 1 over 1, down 1 over 1. That means this one doesn't have a slope of 1, it has a slope of negative 1. So you either need to put a negative 1 in front of your x, or just a negative sign in front of your x will work. That takes care of a slope of negative 1. I wonder where this one goes. Let's actually kind of do this one in a different way. The slope is 1, so I just kind of follow it up here. Oh, that's what I was looking for, right there, where it hits the y-axis. Did I keep it straight? Yeah, I kept it straight enough there, so that's a mess. Negative 2, everyone. That's the y-intercept if it was allowed to keep going. Minus 2. Got it. All right, I've got the equations for all three pieces. Now I'll be done as long as I get the inequalities in here correctly. Let's see what we got. First piece, in between negative 9 and negative 4. Negative 9 and negative 4. Who gets an equal to? We get an equal to on the negative 9 end because of the solid point. Not here, because there's a hollow point. Okay, next piece. Between negative 4 and where is it? Positive 4. All right. Between negative 4 and positive 4. Who gets an equal to? Negative 4 gets the equal to because of the solid point. No equal to down here because of the hollow point. Okay, last piece is not tracked. It goes from 4 onward. And it does start at 4 and then keeps going. So it's all x values that are bigger than 4 and including 4. So how do we write that? All x values that are bigger than 4, including 4. And that takes care of this graph right here. We've got the equations for each piece, and we've got the inequalities for each piece. Okay, thanks for watching. I hope it helped.